Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of automated investing with Betterment, one of the first steps you'll want to master is linking your bank accounts. It's a straightforward process that makes funding your investments a breeze. Today, I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can get set up quickly and start building your financial future. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Betterment account. If you don't have one yet, head over to their website and sign up. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, look for the Accounts or Funding section, usually found in the main dashboard or Settings menu. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on Link Bank Account. Betterment uses secure technology like Plaid to connect directly to your bank, so your information stays safe. You'll see a list of popular banks. Simply search for yours and select it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your bank login credentials. Don't worry, this is just like logging into your bank's app, and Betterment doesn't store your details. After that, Betterment might ask you to verify the connection. This could involve confirming small test deposits or answering security questions. It's all about ensuring everything's legit. Once verified, your bank account will be linked, and you can easily transfer funds in or out. Pro tip: check for any transfer limits or fees from your bank to avoid surprises. And just like that, you're all set. Linking your accounts not only simplifies investing but also allows for automatic deposits, making it easier to stay consistent with your goals. If you run into any hiccups, Betterment's support team is top-notch. Just reach out through their help center. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart investing starts with simple steps like this. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.